Hello my lovely crafters! Today I made some storage for clothes for paper dolls, and also I prepared free printable template with bags which I found in internet. But if you want to repeat this project, the link you will find in the description of this video. So I took a poster board and cut out one side. Now my closet measures 16 by 9 inches. I measure 4 inches from each side and fold them. Now I will cover the edges with black stripes, and I decided to add some simple decor on the doors of my closet. Then I glue the handle . And now our closet can open and close. So let's make the inside. I prepare poster board piece and I already added decoration on it, so I will glue it with double-sided tape on the left door. Also I want to make shelf and a big pocket for clothes. And on the right door we can add some shelves for purses, shoes and accessories. And our closet is ready. We can put our doll and all the accessories on the shelves. This is very simple craft for paper dolls. It doesn't take me much time to make, so I think it is possible to make more and store paper dolls this way. I like this idea. What do you think? I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss any of my future crafting adventures. Make paper dolls with joy, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye!